as I am discussing about the models, different models of representing the data. First is the relational model, that where the relation will be created. Okay, with one tuple with another tuple, one values with another values. The relation can be created like Aadhaar card with a PAN card. You can create a relation. Networking means where you have a connection. Suppose you have what I said, that you have a voter card here. Also, you have a voter card in some other state. Suppose in Uttar Pradesh or in Delhi. So those the two voter cards. What is there? How we can keep up the relations? Relations is that when you are linking your Aadhaar card, that time only one voter card will be registered. So you are keeping, if you are keeping the Delhi voter card, that means that particular voter card will become valid. And this is how the networking system. Now wherever you go, any place, you can find out your total details from the networking database model. Next is hierarchical. Hierarchical means from top to bottom. Okay, like a structure where you find from top one is there, then it is divided into some part. Again, it will be divided into some more part. So this is how the top to bottom hierarchical model. That means there it is like a tree structure. Okay, tree means don't think like that. You can take it. A tree, that tree has a root, different roots. Okay, so one of its top, and they has a different root. Okay, so this is how the tree structure it can do. A lot of childrens it can have, children records it can have. Next, what object oriented model, object oriented data model, OODM. Okay, OODM is object oriented data model, is also a collection of the different model. Now database, what you find, database is a relational database. So what is a relational database? A relational database is a collection of set of multiples data set. What is that? It is organized by the tables, records and columns. Okay, so tables will be there, records will be there, and columns will be there. When they are combined and they will formed into one particular set, is called a relational database. So in a relational database, which will be established a well defined relationship between what database table. Okay, so this is what you find it, that it will going to share the data, it will going to organize the data, it will going to make a data, it will going to report the data. So every different type of relative work will be done with it. Next one, relational database. Relational database. How we can do? I'll show you relational database with Access, and a little bit I'll show you about the SQL part also in the different sections when I'm going to discuss them in the practical implementation. SQL means structured query language, and Access, MS Access, you will do the work in MS Access. This is was a standard form, and in this standard form the work will be done. Okay, so interactive modes, there you will going to give as soon as you want to see anything in an SQL, as SQL is an interactive form, as you want to see anything promptly, it will going to give you the answer. Okay, your thing is what will be the output, if it is wrong, the input is wrong or not, or what is the wrong in which line, etc, etc. All the details will be given there in this particular session. Okay, in the relational database, you see here there is one relational database diagram is there. So what it is, this is a primary key. Primary key means an unique. Okay, then this is what, this is the name, this is the status, this is the city they are taking. So those each and every rows are the tuples. Okay, or it is known as cardinality. Now each of it is known as the attribute. This is the attribute. This is what attribute. This is that means hash means S number, serial number is one attribute. S name, student name, status, city. They are all the attributes. So when you combine the attributes, how many degree are there? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here is degree is 4. Okay, and those the things are known as domain. So many things, again I am repeating it. First, you will have the name. Those the name what you have, they are the, those are the names. Says S number, S hash means S number. Okay, name, status, city, they are the domain. Now primary key, this is a primary key, this particular one is a primary key. Clear? That means all the data should be unique. Now when you are entering the records,